remainder and factor theorem. And we are required to find the remainder. We have f of x, number 1, 0.1, equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6. We are using a quadratic just to make our life easy and to understand it. And whatever happens in a quadratic will also happen in a cubic equation or a cubic expression. Now you want to know what's the remainder here. If this is divided by, it's divided by x plus 4. So if this is divided by x plus 4, first thing you do is you take x plus 4, you make it equal to 0 and solve, then you get x is equal to minus 4. Now you take the minus 4 and you substitute here. So you will say the remainder is equal to f of minus 4, sorry. The remainder is equal to f of minus 4. So you are finding the remainder. Remainder is f of minus 4, which is equal to, now, if you got x squared there, it's better to write brackets like this before you substitute. When you write brackets like this, wherever there is x, you write a bracket. Then you will not make mistakes. So x is minus 4. Wherever there is x, you write minus 4. And now what do? You take this, you put it in your calculator. If you put this in the calculator, you will get the final answer 2. So what we are saying? We're saying that the remainder is equal to 2. So we were required to find the remainder in 1.1. This was divided by that. We had to do that. Make it equal to 0, solve. Bring the minus 4, put it wherever there was x. Put that in the calculator and you get the final answer. So the remainder is equal to 2. Let's do the next one, 1.2. In 1.2, f of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6, and it is divided by x plus 2. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you a few seconds. I want you to think in your mind what I'm going to do. I want you to think what I'm going to write here. Well, great. I hope you thought in your mind that I will have to write x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. Now I ask you, what will you do with this minus 2? Well, I'm glad if you are saying substitute minus 2 wherever there is x. So once again, f of minus 2 is equal to, then you put in minus 2 wherever there is x, and you put this into the calculator, and when you put this in the calculator, you get 0. So now you will say that the remainder is equal to 0. So what we have is a very interesting observation. Here the remainder was 2. Here the remainder is 0. Alright, let's do one more, 1.3. In 1.3, we are dividing by x minus 2. So f of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6. You are dividing by x minus 2. Therefore, you will have to make x minus 2 equal to 0. X will equal to 2. So you will find f of 2, which will be 2 squared plus 5 into 2 plus 6. Put that into your calculator and you will get a remainder equal to, well, let's see, that will be 4 and that will be 10, 14 and 6, 20. But you can just put it in your calculator. Now, so the remainder is 2 or the remainder is 0 or the remainder is 20. We have done 3 examples. where we have found the remainder. So once again I can say that the remainder is equal to 20. Alright, so what I want you to do, well, we've done 1, 2, 3. Right, shortly I will do 1.4 and 1.5. So let us do 1.4 and 1.5 next.